Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install the free version of Microsoft Visual Studio 2022. So, without further ado, let's get started. Open the web browser you use. In the address bar, type Download Visual Studio IDE. Open this link on the official Microsoft website. I'll hover the cursor over this button. As you can see, there are 3 versions of this development environment. Community is the free version for developers, students, and similar users. The other 2 versions are paid. Choose Community. Save the file. Now, run that file. Read the terms of use and license agreements. Click on Continue. The Visual Studio installer is being downloaded. A new window will open with available packages to install in our development environment. I'll choose the following packages. The first one is ASP.NET and Web Development, because I want to create web applications. On the right side, you can see how much disk space this package requires. It needs 8.36 gigabytes. Here you can also choose additional options for this specific package. The second package I'll choose is .NET Multi-Platform App UI Development. I'm selecting it because I want to create Android, iOS, and Windows applications. The third package I'll choose is .NET Desktop Development. I'll use it for Windows Forms applications and WPF applications. There are more available packages as we can see on the screen. Since I'll be working with databases, I need to install a package that provides SQL Server database connectivity. That's this package, Data Storage and Processing. Once you've selected the packages, you can choose the option to install the downloaded packages while other packages are being downloaded. After that, click on Install. This process may take a while. The completion time depends on your internet speed and computer processor speed. It usually takes about half an hour. I'll speed up the video. This part has been successfully completed. Let's continue. Click on the Launch button. Here you can create an account, sign in to an existing one, but there's also an option to skip that. Click here. From the available color themes, choose the appropriate one. Click on Start. A new window has opened, offering us to create or open a new project, or we can choose the option to run the program without a specific project. And that's it. We have installed Microsoft Visual Studio 2022. If this video has been helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, write them in the comments.